And welcome back. In this video, I want to speak very briefly about the concept of use in Canadian trademark law. Use is a term of art, and when you file your trademark application, you will be asked for the date of first use, or whether you are filing an application based on proposed use. Proposed use meaning you have not used it yet, but you propose to do so in the future. What is use? If you're selling goods, use of a trademark means that the trademark has been used when title to the goods passes. So on a bill of lading, a bill of sale, on an invoice, when you sold the goods. If you haven't sold any goods yet, you probably haven't used the mark yet in association with those goods. Similarly, you may have sold one set of goods, you've sold shirts, but you haven't yet sold suits. So you haven't used it on suits, but you have used it on shirts or pants or vice versa. In services, you never really pass someone the service. So in that case, first use may occur on advertising, and use in association with advertising where services are concerned is use for the purposes of Canadian trademark law. Proving your date of first use can be quite difficult, and so it's important, if possible, to keep good records. Keep good records of the date of first use of a trademark in association with any particular products or services. When you file your application, you do not have to go back to the absolute first day. You go back to the earliest date you are comfortable with, that you can prove. Don't go earlier than you can prove, or you may very well find your application invalid. But you don't have to pull it up to the current date. You pull it to the date the earliest date that you can prove, that you can establish use. Once you file, you cannot push the date backwards. You can bring the date forward. You can claim now based on proposed use, when in fact it was you earlier filed based on actual use. But you can't go the other way. You cannot file based on proposed use and subsequently claim a date of first use in the past. So there you have it, a quick summary, very basic summary of the concept of use in Canadian trademark law.